All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna do the recap today. Today actually started really bad for me. Let me stop the.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Today it started really bad, but eventually we got a very nice trading on TQQ due to volatility that came in because of the Michigan consumer sentiment, and also Jay Powell is meeting at Wyoming. There is some sort of a conference, and apparently in his statement said some stuff that gives market a really nice round trip volatility to the up and to the down. So this is unbelievable volatility, 3-4% going up and down on TQQ. So what was it? So at the open, the market opened up a little bit strong, so popped up. I traded TQQ and then 1 minute opinion range break up. It did pop up. I partialed out a little bit and then came down, and I got stopped out at the break even. So that was my first trade on TQQ, and then I didn't trade it until later when at 10 o'clock the Michigan University sentiment came out, and apparently I don't know what was it, popped up, so it came down, bounced back heavily from the VWAP, so I got long in there, popped up, partialed out, added more to see if it can go through this level. It didn't, came down, and I got stopped out. So that was the second trade that I did, was profitable. And then the volatility for the Fed's speech came in, so sold off heavily and then bounced back with volume. The volume was picking up and order flow was picking up, so I got this here long, very heavy size, almost 30,000 shares here, and put a stop loss just below the VWAP. Really huge squeeze for the break of high of the day, a partial sum, and then in this bounce back here I added heavily more on that as well for the next pop all the way up to 38.60. So that was a very amazing trade that I did, and then it bounced back and came down. My stop loss was break even, and I got stopped out at the break even. And this is unbelievable that this market is just keeps giving you this volatility up and down. So the other trades that's my trading day. So TQQ obviously was that wrong, long. And then we had NVIDIA, AMD, and Affirm that I lost on all of them, unfortunately. Especially Affirm gave me a hard time. So let's go through them quickly. Affirm had a very massive run, so I tried to catch this breakout on it, but because I missed a big move on it, so it was very difficult to take big size on it when it was a little bit extended. So I tried to catch to the break of 17, break of 17.50, and break of 18. I really didn't make any money out of those quick scalps because it was just too late to the game. I went long here for the break of 17.50, came down, I added more, and eventually got a stop out. So that turned out to be my biggest loss here on Affirm. So that was bad. And I did two trades on AMD, one at the open and both of them at the open on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA sold off, came below the VWAP. I tried to go short on it, popped up, and I squeezed out. I got stopped out. But that was the moment that actually a lot of our traders, including Paris and Jared, actually took the trade to the long side. Same as AMD. AMD is just jumping a little bit too early on AMD. Yeah, so AMD has jumped in a little bit too early, sold off, and I usually have the rule of waiting for 1 minute for the 1 minute range breakdown or up, but I jumped in too early and I got to stop that. It was a fairly small share size, but if I was waiting for 1 minute to close, it closed as a doji actually, so it would have been a very nice 1 minute opinion range breakup for a red to green. But I got to stop out on that as well. So overall, really good day thanks to the volatility of TQQ. And yeah, today I'm gonna actually head to the airport. I'm gonna go to Burning Man, and for the next week I'm probably online, but I'm not able to trade. A couple of our members are also coming to Burning Man, so it would be nice. I'll be back after Labor Day. Chat room is open, everybody's trading. I think chat room, and I really appreciate Thor, Jared, Ardi is gonna come on next week. I think we have a couple of vacation, but Ardi is coming also at the open. Jared is there to always support the chat room, and Paris and Thor always you guys are on a treat for trading them, and they're always traded very nice. Here I can actually do it like this, so yeah, I can do it actually like this. So that was a very nice trade on Affirm that Paris did, So opening range break up, beautiful trade, scaling out, and then Paris adds usually in this pullback very nicely. And then for the second trade, he came back on this 17 and popped all the way up to 18. It's a very, very beautiful trade. Yeah, that's it. So Brian, how was your trading day?
It was pretty good. I did my usual Rising Devil trade setup, and I did it on Domo, D-O-M-O. Yeah. So I got in. I wasn't sure if it was going to pop, so I got in some around 10:30, and then it popped up, and I got in some more at. I added more to my position at 1080 on the pop up to the VWAP.
Yeah, come a little bit closer to the mic, please, if Brian, you can do that. Yeah. So
sure.
You went short. No, that's your typical.
Basically, I went short twice. I took 2 positions. First one wasn't a great entry, as it turned out, and then the second one was up near the VWAP. So and then I just covered on when it dropped. Probably covered a little too early. It wasn't trading very cleanly. It was kind of jumping around, but it was still probably my best trade. And then when you went long on the Qs, I just took AMD long because just about everything was popping. AMD was on my screen, so I took it long.
Nice.
On that nice pop up. Yeah. So overall, it was a pretty good day. I had a bit of a short on KRE at one point. KRE is the regional bank ETF.
Yeah.
It really sold off at the open. So anyway.
Yeah, so IWM is red, and market is actually bounced back round trip. So as you see, very amazing move up and down. So it was a lot of volatility. All right, guys, thank you so much. And so we had a really, really nice trading day. Closing the day green, closing the week green, and actually closing the month green. So all the best. See you guys in September. Ciao.